What's big and green and essential to have in your sewing room? That's right, a cutting mat. In today's video, I'm going to give you my recommendations for this essential tool to get started on your quilting journey.
I'm Andy, and this is True Blue Quilts, a place to enjoy, experiment, and excel as you quilt. One of the essential parts of a quilter's toolkit is the cutting mat. There are several well-known brand names, and they come in generally green or gray, so just choose a size that works in your space. I have a large mat on a table in my sewing room. It's always set up and laid out so I'm ready to cut. The 24-inch by 36-inch is very common, useful size to have on a table. It is very important to store your mats flat. If the mat becomes warped, it's not going to be true to size, and it may wobble and cause you difficulty when you are trying to cut your fabric. Another option is a travel mat. You can tell it's portable by the handle at the top, and this one has both a cutting and an ironing surface. It measures about 12 inches by 18 inches and is great to take with you to retreats or classes. You can even find miniature cutting mats. This one is about 9 inches square, and it also has a pressing surface as well. This is the perfect size to keep next to my machine when I am paper piecing. If you work with small units, half square triangles, or special templates, I highly recommend purchasing a rotating cutting mat. This allows you to turn the mat without moving fabric or your ruler, and it operates like a lazy Susan on a dining table. This will keep you safe as you cut, and it will also improve your cutting accuracy when you're trying to go around those templates. No matter what kind of mat you have, take some time to care for it properly. Remember to store it flat. Do not roll your mat up to take it in the car, and please do not leave it out in the heat. Always wipe off any loose threads or dust, especially if you're cutting fuzzy things that may get some extra threads stuck in the grooves. You can always clean your mat gently with soap and water. Make sure it's wiped off and rinsed off from any residue. And if those grooves get too deep and your mat is just destroyed from cutting over years and years, using common measurements, usually a line will build up at the 9-inch or 18-inch mark. You can always recycle your mat into a smaller size, turn it over, and continue using it. Are you ready to start quilting? Try my 9-patch sampler, linked in the video below. Click that subscribe button. I'm here every week sharing my love of quilting. I'll see you in the next video.